Christie from the Netherlands. I came in the ashram to learn more about yoga and the yoga postures and the yoga lifestyle. I learned a lot about this. The teachers also got me really enthusiastic about teaching. I really enjoyed the lessons from Ram. Sometimes very difficult to follow because it's a lot of new information, but also very interesting, and I really loved it. The practical lessons, the yoga lessons from Omkar were also really good. He is a great teacher, and the environment here is beautiful. It's quiet, it's serene, the rooms are perfect. It's a really good life to be here. Yeah, I really enjoyed everything. Everything that's included here I loved it really. Really was a great experience.
They have a lot of knowledge and very much experience. I learned so much about yoga, philosophy, but also about myself. I thought I would learn asanas, of course, but it was totally different than what I experienced. But I enjoyed it very much, and they really try to encourage you to do better. And some things I found a little bit scary, like headstand and stuff, but they encourage you to do it. And I did it. That's nice.
When I first came to the ashram, it was a big change for me. When we get up in the morning, we start with pranayama, and I really enjoy that. And the teaching itself is also very strict, but I have to say we laugh a lot, and thanks to the teachers, because they really have a good humor. And the teaching itself, I can really say that every single student improved day by day. Everybody had the ups and downs, but at the end, everybody can say, yes, I'm ready for teaching.
The training by Omkar, yeah, I loved it very much. Ram did it very good. He knows a lot about philosophy, a lot about yoga. Now I can say that I'm changed. Yoga, this course in Arhanta has changed me. I had a certain vision about yoga, but here you learn to respect the asanas, you learn to respect your own body, and you learn to respect nature. And the vision of the yoga philosophy touched me very much.